Good evening students, welcome to basic electrical lectures. So in last class we have, that is class number 11, we have studied the concept of line current, phase current, line voltage and phase voltage for star and delta connected system. And from that we noticed that in star connection line voltage and phase voltage are not equal, and in delta connection line current and phase current are not equal. Okay. Now in this lecture we are going to find the relationship between line and phase quantities. In star connection we are going to find the relationship between line voltage and phase voltage, and in delta connection we are finding the relation between line current and phase current. Then what about line and phase voltage? In delta line and phase voltage will be same, and in star line and phase current will be same. Okay, so we can start class number 12, and preferably these two questions, relationship between line and phase quantities, compulsory they will ask either star connection or delta connection. So anyone they will ask in exam. Okay, alternatively. Last time if they asked star, this time they can ask delta, like that. But don't think like that. They can ask again star also. Okay, anything can be possible in VTU. Okay. We can start this derivation. Obtain the relationship between line voltage and phase voltage for three-phase star connected system with relevant phasor diagram. Sometimes they won't ask this with relevant phasor diagram. Then also you should write it. If they given this, you should write the phasor diagram. If they not given this sentence also, you should write phasor diagram. Okay. So we can write star connected system. So I am writing three-phase star connected system. So it is R phase winding, R1 and R2, and Y phase winding, Y2, Y1, and B phase winding. What is number 2 indicates finishing winding of respective phase. So B1 and B2. So starting in, you take it as supply terminal, and this is now Y phase. You take Y phase as supply terminal. So R phase, Y phase and B phase. What do you mean by line voltage? The voltage measured between any two lines is called line voltage. Okay. What is VR by line voltage? And the current flowing through the line is called line current. And what is current flowing through the phase winding? That is called phase current. So this point is called common point or star point or neutral point. So if the current measured from line to neutral point, that current is called phase current. So we can write IRN, current flowing through the respective phase winding. But before starting the derivation, you must write the notations. Okay, standard notations. What is current flowing here? IB. And what is current flows in Y phase winding? IY. So IRN current is entering to this winding, IBN current is entering, and IYN current is entering. What is current flows in this winding? IYN. See, notations. So this notation plays an important role to understand the derivation. See, you can measure the line voltage between R and Y, that is also line voltage. You can measure between Y and B, that is also possible. So VYB, and another possible is from B line to R line, like that also you can measure voltage, that is VBR. What are all these? Line voltage, VL. Line voltage denoted by symbol VL. So this concept we already learned in previous lecture. So if you want, you can go and revise that. Next, voltage. Next is phase voltage. What do you mean by phase voltage? The voltage measured from line to common point is called phase voltage. So this phase voltage is VRN. So this phase voltage is VRN. Similarly, this phase voltage will be VYN. Okay, and this phase voltage will be VBN. N. So 3 phase voltages measuring from line to common point. So I am writing that VRN, VYN and VBN. What are all this? Very good, phase voltages. But in 3-phase star connected system, default star point will be there. Assume that it is a balanced system, neutral point will be available. Okay, under that condition, so we are not using suffix n. Default it is understood. So for star connection, neutral point will be there. Therefore, neglecting the suffix n, I am writing all the phase voltages like this. VR is equal to Vy is equal to Vb. What are all this? Phase voltage. What I done? I neglected the suffix n. Why? Default neutral point will be there in star connection. Next, similarly, line current is equal to phase current in star. Line current is equal to phase current in star. Look at here. How? Whatever current coming from the line, same current is flowing to the phase winding. See, IR current flows and IRN current flows. These two values will be same, but notations are different. So what is IR? Line current. So what are all line currents? IR, current in R line, Y line, B line. What are all this? Line current as well as phase current. So suffix n, I am neglecting suffix n. Okay. So IBN, neglecting suffix n because start point neutral will be there. Okay. So now, before starting the derivation, see, there is no relation between line and phase current in star. Both are same. So why we need to obtain relationship in that? So, but line voltage and phase voltage are not equal. Okay. Why means, see, if I apply some voltage here, if I apply 400 here, that voltage will not be appear across. See, R is connected, R phase winding, and Y is connected to here. So between these two terminals, R phase winding, Y phase winding is connected. Whatever you applied here, that entire voltage will not come across phase winding. Hence, line voltage, phase voltage are not equal. So for that reason, we are finding in what means they are equal. Okay. So that is our next. Next we need to explain. See, now I am going to write an equivalent circuit connected between R and Y. So between R and Y, voltmeter we have. So VRY. Okay, this is R and this is Y. And what are the windings connected between those two terminals? What are the windings connected? So pause the video and then copy down. Okay. See, R phase winding, R1, R2, Y2, Y1, R phase, Y phase. What is the voltage here? VRN. Okay. What is the voltage here? VYN. Okay. Voltage measured from Y2, line to neutral point. This is neutral point. Okay. See now. See, I just written. You can connect voltmeter here also, here also. But I written here. For that circuit I written. Okay. Whatever you applied, if you apply 400 here, same voltage you will not get here because these two are connected in series. Okay. This voltage, addition of together, you will get this voltage. Since it is AC, you should do vector addition of VRN and VYN. Okay. See, now current is entering. Current IR is entering to this winding. Whenever current enters, you mark it plus, leaves minus. Okay. IR current enters like that. IR current. What about IY current? IY current is entering like this. It is entering to the winding in this side. So mark that side plus and leaves minus. See, now apply KVL to this loop. Apply KVL to this loop. Applying KVL. See, here I am going to write plus and minus. It is not a DC supply. It is positive half cycle and negative half cycle of the line voltage waveform. Okay. See, now start applying KVL to this circuit. Minus to plus is rise. You should write apply KVL. Okay, applying KVL. So we get, what you will get? VR, right? Okay. Minus to plus. See this direction. Minus to plus is rise, VR, right? And See, this loop current is entering like this. What are the polarities? Plus to minus. So drop. What are the drop in that? VRN, voltage. This current and winding resistance will get some voltage. That is VRN. Then see now, this current is flowing like this. Okay. It's coming like this, clockwise direction. See the polarity? This direction is flowing from minus to plus. So it will be plus VYN is equal to what? 0. So now VRY can be written as you take this to right hand side. It becomes VRN minus VYN. Take this to right side, you will get minus. So I am not using suffix n as I said earlier. So VRY is equal to, if I neglect the suffix n, what you will get? VR. If I neglect suffix n, what you will get? VY. So what is VRY? VRY is what? Line voltage. What is VR and VY? Phase voltage. VR, VY, VB. What are all this? Phase voltage. See, by applying KVL, we got VRY is equal to VR minus VY. But without doing all this, you can write directly what is VRY. See, VRY is equal to first one minus second one. What is first one? VR. Minus, what is second one? VY. So like that you can remember. See now, similarly we can write, what you can write VYB. What you can write VYB? You should connect one voltmeter here and write that to circuit. Then finally you will get this answer. Like that concept you can write directly. What is the end we get? At the end what we get? First one minus second one. So VY minus VB. Like that we can write VYB. Similarly, what we can write VBR? What we can write VBR? Okay, first one minus second one. Very good. So VB minus VR. So remember all this relation. So guys, pause the video and then copy down all this. Okay. First copy down this circuit, this one, and this circuit, applying KVL. Similarly, we can write like this. Okay. Pause the video and then copy down. Okay. Now I will erase this. Now we need to find relationship between line and phase voltage. What is another relation? What is first we find out? VRY. What is VRY? VR minus VY. What are all this? Phase voltage. What are all this? Line voltages. See, in star connection, what is the reference you should take? You should take voltage. Okay, because we are finding relationship between voltage only. Okay, in line and phase voltages. So first you draw all voltages. Okay, VR, voltage induced in R phase. Okay, voltage induced in Y phase. Okay, we know that all the phase voltages are displaced by 120 degree with respect to each other. So then another one is VB. So you should write in such a way that the angle 120 degree, 120 degree and 120 degree. All voltages displaced by 120 degrees. See, these are all original phasors, have positive values. Now I need to write what is VR? V phase voltage. VR is nothing but what? Phase voltage. Next, first I am writing this one. Okay, VRY. What is VRY? VR minus VY. VR is positive, we have. I need what? Minus VY. If you need minus VY, you should reverse this vector. Okay, reverse this vector exactly opposite. ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇದರಷ್ಟೇ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಆಂಗಲ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ minus Vy. Length should be same. Don't write more length, don't write less length. Write exact length. Okay. See, now join these two vectors. From this point, draw a line equal to this length. Okay. It will reach some distance. Then from this point, draw a line parallel to this. From this point, draw a line parallel to this. So while constructing parallelogram, at some point both voltages will meet the resultant point. Okay, so that point is nothing but line voltage. So what is this voltage? VRY. What we can write VRY? VR minus VY. VR minus VY, we got VRY. What is VRY? Line voltage. See now, from here to here, the angle will be 120, and from here to here, the angle will be 120, and similarly, from here to here, the angle will be 120 degree. Now, when I reverse this vector, this angle will become 60 degree, and this angle will become 60 degree. But in this 60 degree, the line voltage divides exactly off. Therefore, what about this angle? Therefore, this angle will be 30 degree. Now, from point VR, okay, from VR, you draw a line perpendicular to the line voltage. See, this is what? Line voltage. Now, give some naming. O, A, B. From point A, draw a line perpendicular to line voltage. Name that point C. Okay. Now, what is this? Phase voltage. What is this one? Line voltage. This one is line voltage. This one is phase voltage. Now, I need to relate line and phase voltages. See, in this triangle, this one is adjacent side. Okay. I will write the triangle. I am writing the triangle separately. Okay. Okay, like this. O, A and C. See, this triangle, this one is adjacent side, this one is hypotenuse side, and this one is opposite side. What is the angle between them? 30 degree. So, the angle between them is 30 degrees. Okay. See, now you need to relate what is this OA. OA is phase voltage. What is this OC? Line voltage. Okay. So now relate between these two. Adjacent and hypotenuse. Which is the correct relation? Cos pi. What is cos pi? What is the pi value? 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? Adjacent is OC, and what is hypotenuse? OA. What we can write OC? What we can write OC? See, the total length OB. The total length OB is line voltage. Total line voltage. Then what you will get OC? Exactly half of the line voltage. OC will be half of the line voltage. Then what about OA? What about OA? OA, O to A is phase voltage. Now apply this relations here. What is cos 30 degree value? Root 3 by 2. What is OL? Half of the line voltage divided by what is OA? Phase voltage. Next cross multiply. VPH. Okay, root 3 by 2 is equal to VL by 2. Now 2 get cancelled. So finally we got line voltage is equal to root 3 times of phase voltage. Now we got exact relation. What is the line voltage? Before starting the derivation, line voltage and phase voltage are not at all equal. They are equal by this relation. Line voltage is equal to root 3 times of phase voltage. Okay, got it? So this completes the derivation. So this derivation they can ask maximum 7 marks. Maximum 7 marks they will ask. Okay. See, this what question I written on the board, it is direct question. Almost all students will write. But sometimes university will give some confusing questions. So students don't know what should write. Even though they know answer, they are unable to write solution for given question. Means they will ask some tricky questions. Okay, trick in the questions. That is, they will ask like this: show that line voltage. Okay, they will write word. Okay, show that line voltage VL leads phase voltage by 30 degree. Show that line voltage leads phase voltage by 30 degree for three-phase supply system. For three-phase supply system. What you would write? Three-phase supply system has two types: star connection and delta connection. So, in which relation we got this one? Line voltage leads phase voltage by 30 degree. See guys, phase voltage is, look at here, phase voltage is reference. Okay. So, with respect to reference, what about this O to B? What is this? Line voltage. See, line voltage leading the phase voltage by how many degrees? 30 degrees. Therefore, what you should explain? You should explain relationship between line voltage and phase voltage for star connection. Okay, that's why they're not given here. Understood? So, you should be very thorough in all types of question. Okay. So, show that line voltage leads phase voltage by 30 degree for three-phase supply system. What connection you should write? Explain. You should explain relationship between line voltage and the phase voltage for star connection. Okay. So, got it? Fine. I hope guys you understood. Pause the video and then copy down. Finally, I am telling once again. See, this is the line voltage. This is phase voltage. Line voltage leads the phase voltage by 30 degree. Okay, got it? That means you must explain star connection only. Okay. What is written here? What is written here? It is phasor diagram. Okay. See, sir, why we should write VRY only? Phasor diagram. Don't worry. You can write for VYB also. Okay. See, I am modifying for VYB. What you should do is you just copy down this what I written on the board as it is. Another other thing I will write here. Okay. Please copy down the phasor diagram. Because some questions, some students, they can do it for this or they can do it for that also. So no issues in that. See, I will write. Look at here VR. Okay, VY and VB. Okay, VR, VY and VB. Okay, now I am going to write V by B. V by B. What is YB? Okay, voltage between Y and V. So VY minus VB. VY is already there. What I required? Minus VB I required. So you reverse this voltage vector. So reversing this vector, you will get like this. Okay, what you will get? Minus VB. Now join these two vectors. Joining these two vectors, you will get what? Line voltage. You will get line voltage. What is the angle between these two? 30 degree. Okay. So from point VY, draw a line perpendicular to. Draw a line perpendicular to line voltage. Give the namings O, A, B, C. Again, same formula. This, what is this? Adjacent side. What is this? Hypotenuse. So adjacent, hypotenuse and opposite side. Okay. Apply cross correlation. Simplify, you get same answer. Okay. Similarly, now VRY. What is VRY? VR minus VY. You reverse this vector. Okay. Now join these two vectors. What you will get? Line voltage. Same thing we written there. What is another one? VBR. VB is here and reverse this vector. You will get minus VR. What is VBR? VB minus VR. Now join these two vectors. Joining these two vectors, what you will get? Okay, line voltage. Draw the perpendicular, angle 30 degree, same relation, everything 30 degree. See, line voltage. What is this line voltage? VRY. What is this line voltage? VYB. What is this line voltage? VBR. See, all the line voltages are displaced by 120 degree with respect to each other. See how the subject is. It's very good now. So every reverse vector. Now what is this vector? Minus VR. What is this vector? Minus V. What is this vector? Minus VR. Now see the reverse vector. VR to VB. 120 degree should be there. And minus VB to minus VR. 120 degree should be there. And minus VR to minus VY. Sorry, this is minus VY. So this should be 120 degree. Every reverse vector, each and every phasor should be displaced by 120 degree with respect to each other. Okay guys, got it? So this completes three-phase star connection system in detail. See, whatever explained here, it is additional only for understanding and knowledge purpose. But you can write here before starting this diagram. By this it is completed. Okay, it is only for understanding. Don't write all these things in your notes. Okay, write only this part. Okay, so give a like ಕೊಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಪವರ್ ಕಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 days ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಧ್ಯ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮೈ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹೀಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ನೈಸ್ ಡೇ, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, meet you on next video. That is same thing, delta connection. Okay, bye bye.